Guys, welcome to today's video. I already made a tsunami and look at this.
Very nice. Okay, so Brian, what do you have for us now?
Yellow, light blue, and a little bit dark, but not that dark.
Okay, so what are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make a tsunami, but another half of this.
Okay, so go ahead, start now.
First up, you roll this.
Yeah, you show it in the down.
Here you roll this.
That's right.
And then you flatten it like a pancake.
That's right.
That.
And then
You pick it up.
yeah.
And then you do it a tsunami shape.
Okay,
It looks like it's coming.
that's right. Okay, next.
So, and then you do a little curve like this.
That's good.
And then you place it down to make a flat spot.
That's right. Next.
It's like a rolly one. Okay, so now we leave this to the side because we're going to do it. Okay, so first step, the yellow clay needs to be like this, but not that rolled than the other one. So that's like a pancake again.
Yeah.
And then
Put it down.
and then flatten it up 3
That's
times.
right.
1, 2, 3.
Next.
Okay, now we're gonna make the other half of this. This little one.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put this here.
Yeah.
We're gonna put this here because it looks like tiny little tsunamis about to hit. Tiny little ones.
That's
Those
right.
are baby ones. That's why I made that.
Okay, next.
Okay, you repeat the same,
Yeah.
except a little bigger.
Okay.
I'm sorry, that's just my brother. Sorry, that's just my brother. There.
Okay. Wow, it looks good now. So next.
You take the other one that you made and set this to here.
Okay. So next.
Now we're gonna get the dark blue clay. Make it like this.
Yeah.
And
Oops,
then
remove the hair. Okay,
why
go ahead.
this hair?
Next.
Okay, so you put any kind of designs.
Sure.
You spread it out. You spread it out, yeah, to take this off.
That's correct.
Okay, and then move it like this.
Okay, good. So next.
Now we're gonna do this. You need to hold it for a little bit, and then you do the same thing, except you could do another design.
That's correct.
Now, this is what we got on the back and on the front.
Okay, next.
Okay, we just leave that for a little,
Yeah.
for a little video, so.
Okay, so what are you going to do next?
First up, I'm gonna get a white one, a little bit of red, and a little bit of black.
Okay, go ahead.
And then you roll it up, and then so that will look
Tiny balls.
tiny balls, and then put it on the front. Put on the front like this.
Okay, next.
And then you do this, and then put that there. Okay, say that 3 times. Okay, so through 3 times. To make sure it's right, you kind of adjust them a little bit.
Yeah.
Like that.
Okay, so now what's the next step?
The next step, you take this and this.
Okay.
You put it like that.
That's neat. That's the water, right? The water rising from the ocean.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
And it's about to hit it.
And
Okay,
then
so-
what's the next one?
So now we're gonna mix these two and then roll it
So
up.
which one you did mix? The dark blue and the light blue? That's good. Okay.
And then that's the ocean.
That's neat. And you're gonna flatten it?
Yeah.
Next.
Okay, you apply it here.
That's good. So what is the yellow spot there?
It's the beach.
Oh, that's the beach. Okay. It's like a white sand or yellow sand.
It's a yellow sand.
Good job.
See, you could lift this little tsunami where we don't want it to be bent too much.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So is that the finished product?
No, we're still
Not
gonna
yet?
do designs here.
Okay. So Brian will still do the designs of the beach. Okay.
Why
So
is the ball like falling out?
okay, Brian,
You
go.
pull this out, and then you do this
Good job. Okay, so now,
to make sure it's not stick to there.
yeah,
And then and then look what we made so far.
that's good. So this is the one that you made, right? And
Yeah.
then this is the one that you made to show them. And then now you can put some designs of the beach, right?
Yeah, any designs you guys think what designs you could do.
Like we can put starfish in there, right?
Yeah.
That's great. Okay, thank you, Brian, for showing us how you made a tsunami using a modeling clay. So,
Well, I'm still gonna do more.
okay, sounds good to you, Brian. Okay.
It looks like this is a little fish.
Okay,
It's a
so
little fish.
go ahead and put it there.
And now we're gonna do like this. Okay, it's too
Okay, guys, so Brian will just put one design down there.
a little
And
fish.
there's a little fish there.
A
Okay,
little
Brian, thank you so much. And tell them to please subscribe. And
Subscribe and like if you want to see my next video.
thank you so
This
much.
is part 1, part 2, and now if you want to see part 3, you better subscribe and hit that like.
Okay, thank you, Brian. Bye now.
Bye.